Hello guys, today I am making the Sambhar Dosa. For Sambhar Dosa I need some ingredients that I show you. 1 cup of tur dal, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, 2 red chili dry. I have 1 teaspoon of mustard seed which has some dry kadi patta, some dry kadi patta, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder, 3 teaspoon of sambar powder, 3 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 chopped green chili, 3 well chopped tomato, 1 big onion finely chopped. I have some drumstick, at least like 10 pieces of drumstick, some fine chopped carrot, 1 tomato slice about this size. This is the 3 small radish, 1 bowl of cauliflower cut like this in this size. I have some diced onion like that. I have finely chopped butter goat 1 cup. Make sure you wash the tur dal 2-3 times before cooking. It is already washed my tur dal. I'm going to put in a pan. A little bit water, it doesn't matter because I have to put at least 4 cup of water in that. Now I'm putting 4 cup of water in the tur dal. I'm going to put the drumstick, carrot, tomato, radish, cauliflower, onion, bottle gourd. Put the 1 cup of more water. I close the cooker. I'm going to put on a high heat for 1 whistle only. In the meantime, we are going to make a tadka for the sambar. So I put the pan and put on a high heat. I'm just going to put some oil. This is a avocado oil. You can use whatever oil you want to use. Let it heat up. My oil is heat up. I'm going to put cumin seed. I'm going to put the red whole chilies. Stir it well. I'm going to put the mustard seeds. I'm going to put the kadi patta. Stir it well. Okay, now I'm going to add the onion. The onion should be brown, so I have maybe it takes me 7 minutes to brown the onion. It already 4 minutes, so I have to check my onion. It's not stick on the pan and it's not burned, so I have to stir it well again. So it is getting brown. Maybe 3 more minutes it get brown. See, after 8 minutes it is already get brown onion. Okay, now I'm going to add the salt. I'm going to add turmeric. Now I'm going to add chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, sambar powder and some green chili according to your taste. Now I'm going to add tomato. I'm going to add 2 spoons of water. I'm going to cover this for 2 minutes. It is already 2 minutes. I'm going to check my masala. You have to mash little bit tomato, then its flavor is better. It already 1 whistle, so I'm going to close the gas. So now my steam is released. I'm going to open the cooker. I'm just going to add this masala in the sambar. So I have to mix the masala. I'm going to add the lemon juice and mix again. My sambar is ready. It's time to put in a bowl. I think it's little bit salt is less, so I'm going to put the salt like a half spoon. You can put according to your taste.